Okay, hi guys. I know I'm pretty late about this one, but today we're gonna get Skycrawler. Yes, I know I'm really late on this. Oh yeah, I'm kinda sorry about this. First, please follow me to over here and go to the mountainside. I just forgot, no. I'll go with got more anyway. Alright. Now, now we gotta drive a fast vehicle, if you even have one. I'm gonna use this one because I only have this. Now I would like you to follow me over here. Yeah, there should be like a hole over here. Good Jesus, it's hard to move in here. Just gonna follow the hole until you reach here. Until I reach this part. Then go like over here. Now I'm pretty sure you can just walk, because it's literally right here. Yeah, here it is. Bruh. Dude, this aircraft shark. Yeah, it's like over here. It's not really that hard. But because of this stupid aircraft shark, it's hard. Jesus. Alright, I got a golden colored one. So now let's go check it out. Jeez. Those aircraft sharks are very annoying nowadays. And this is how you get it. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And it's pretty big. It's pretty big. I don't really think it's that big, and not really that small. Usually it's like good. This is like a part of the Sky family, so yeah. That's why agree to. I really do not agree to. Anyway, good luck on getting this. It costs us 350 giant universe points. It literally requires 350 points. Giant points. I remember I saw the aircraft shark morph. I remember I saw it when I was in the middle of getting another morph. I remember called the troll worm. Yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, don't mind me. If you want to follow along in this one, you can. I do own the multiplane. No, I don't even care. What? Okay, I need to reset. I swear I do own this thing. Yeah, see? I do own it. Okay, this thing is not in. It's in Donut City, so yeah. It's over here. Wait a minute. Let me try to do this quick. Oh, what? Am I the only one who sees that? Hello, mate. I do own this shit. I own it! Yeah, this way. This way. The free Jeep. bonding. Why is the aircraft shot actually looking cool? Good, yeah, good little buddy. Oh, never mind. Bo's not a good little buddy. What's that? What the hell is that? What planet Earth is that? Okay, this is me, or is the aircraft shirt kinda cute? Oh, why is it kinda cute? I can't wait until they add the aircraft shark in Tiny Universe roleplay. It'll be insane.